Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by understanding Skater XL's unique control scheme. Each analog stick independently controls one of your skater's feet. The left stick manages your left foot, and the right stick controls your right foot. To get moving, simply press the A button on Xbox or the X button on PlayStation to push off. Focus on smooth movement and steering before diving into complex maneuvers. This foundational understanding is key to mastering the game. Once you're comfortable moving, it's time for tricks. To perform an ollie, pull both analog sticks down simultaneously, then quickly flick them upwards. For a kickflip, pull both sticks down, then flick the right stick diagonally up left. A heel flip is similar, but flick the right stick diagonally up right. The key is precise timing and subtle stick movements. Don't be afraid to experiment. Practice makes perfect in Skater XL. Grinds and slides add style and points to your runs. Approach a rail or ledge with moderate speed, then ollie onto it. While on the obstacle, use subtle adjustments of both analog sticks to maintain your balance. Pushing one stick slightly forward or backward can change your grind or slide type. To exit, simply flick one of the sticks to dismount. Experiment with different approaches and stick positions to discover a wide array of grind variations. Skater XL offers deep customization and community engagement. Dive into the extensive modding scene for new maps, gear, and clothing, expanding your gameplay options significantly. Utilize the in-game replay editor to capture and share your most impressive lines with friends or the community. Don't forget to explore the game settings to fine-tune physics and trick parameters to match your preferred playstyle. The Skater XL community is a fantastic resource for learning and inspiration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.